महाकाय वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सरस्वती नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणी विद्यारंभं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधितमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः।
Sri Gurubhyo Namaha. Any questions? Any prasnaha?
Anjali Mohoday, Muralidhar Mohoday, Padmaseni Mohoday, Vani Mohoday, Vijaya Mohoday. You have to put your numbers so we can follow that sequence.
Roll number.
20 number. I have 20 number.
Yeah. Just put it before your name. In the Zoom meeting, just put your number before the name.
Already put this number.
No, we are not seeing. We are seeing Anjali Samant only. We are not seeing. Make it 20 Anjali Samant. I think your roll number is 20, right? Yeah. So put it.
Now?
Yeah, we can see. No, Anjali Samant we can't see. Padmaseni and Asha Mohoday. So 3 are missing.
So if roll number is not there, then possibly while going in the line, right, we skip them. That's what happens.
Asha Mohoday.
Mahodaya, I'm just changing.
Okay. Astu. Okay. Prasna na santi chet agre gacchamaha.
Agre gacchamaha. Let's gacchamaha is bahuvachan.
Bahuvachanam. Purusha kem.
Uttama Purusha
bahuvachanam. So vayam sarve agre gacchamaha.
Vayam sarve agre gacchamaha. Or just agre gacchamaha.
So to be specific, to make you understand what it meant, yeah. I just used that whole sentence. Otherwise, agre gacchama is fine. Okay. So idanim dvayo vishayo will take up to. Okay. So samayaha and varaha, varaha. So varaha is day, samayaha is time. Okay, day and time. So we'll talk about those topics. So I'll just share my screen. Drishyate va?
Kada.
So kaschana sabdaha punaravartam. We'll repeat, we'll revise some things. We have done these things, okay? Yeah. Kada is when, idanim is now, adhuna is also now. Now there are a few more new ones. Ekada, once. Okay, and pura is long ago. So ekda also at times is used for once upon a time kind of thing, but the more common is pura. Then sada and sarvada is always. And again, these we have seen possibly we have seen like this paryaha, paryaha, yaha,
Yeah.
adya, swaha, parswaha, praparswaha. So these two new ones I have added here. The praparyaha.
Pra.
Okay, so this is like yesterday, this is day before yesterday, and this day before yesterday. Similarly, this is tomorrow. This is day after tomorrow. This is day after tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay. So if you see exactly, right, there are actually 7 of them.
Yeah.
Okay. So you may be wondering why 7? Why so many? Why not more? Why not less? Kind of thing. Typically, we have 7 days in a week. So with these, we can actually go back and front for all the days. So that's how it is. Okay, again, these words we have done, like pratakalaha we did. Now, if you want in the morning, okay, so in is like pratakale, madhyana kale, sandhya kale, sai kale, and in the night is ratrau. Ratri is the so it becomes ratrau.
Is it feminine, Ratri?
Ratri is pullinga sabda, ikaranta pullinga sabda.
Pullinga.
If I think that is correct.
Yeah. Otherwise, it will be with the year, right?
No, not really.
Not really?
No, Strilinga, Pullinga, both are similar, right? So that's
okay.
not, yeah. So maybe again, one of you can check in the Learn Sanskrit and verify if it is Pullinga or Strilinga. You can just go to the website, see that. Okay, so these are like basic common words we use kind of thing. And again, now the point is here, if I use kada, it need not be only a day, it can be time also, right? When? So what time and things like that, which day, all kind of questions can be asked with kada. Okay, it's a very generic question. And we can answer using these.
Ratri, it says Strilinga.
Oh, okay. Kshamyatam. Then it is Strilinga. That's why I had a doubt. That's why I requested you to please check. Okay. So, that's where, again, the Strilinga or Pullinga, the form is Ratra only. So that's why it is always a little,
in the night.
Yeah, little confusing always there.
These transformation happens because of the different vibhakti.
Preposition.
Yes. It is
Okay.
like that. We'll see and come to that.
Okay.
I'm sure this is out because of the tra.
Huh?
I think it's out because the others were all A. I think this is because of the tra.
No, not tra. It is ikaranta, right?
Oh, ikaranta.
All were akaranta.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
So that's where it is different. Okay. Then vasaraha is like a day. Okay. Vasaraha is day. So for example, kaha vasaraha. So it becomes Adya Ravi vasaraha, Soma vasaraha, Mangal vasaraha, Buddha vasaraha, Guru vasaraha, Sukra vasaraha, Sani vasaraha. So we are actually familiar. In our language also we have these things, right? So many times we say Ravi varaha, Soma varaha. Okay, so Vasaraha, Varaha are similar. Matlab, we can use Vara also, but Vasaraha is looks more stylish. Okay, so Ravi is like sun, so Sunday, then this moon, Monday, Mangala, Buddha, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Okay, so for example, if I want like Adya Sukra Vasaraha, today is Friday. Okay. Kada kaha vasara bhavati. So when is what day? So now if you want to say like
tomorrow is Saturday.
So if you see, we learned this. Okay.
Yeah.
So for example, Adya Sukra Vasaraha.
Yaha Shinivasaraha.
Yaha kaha.
Kaha Shanivasara.
No.
Yaha.
Yesterday.
Guru Vasaraha.
Guru
Vasaraha. Paryaha kaha.
Buddha Vasara.
Paryaha kaha.
Mangala Vasara.
Mangalavasara.
Yeah, please repeat that word.
Yeah.
That is a practice, right?
Praparahyah.
Mangalavasara.
Ah.
Swaha Shanivasara.
Swaha kaha.
Swaha Shanivasara.
Shanivar.
Paraswaha kaha.
Parashwaha Ravivasara.
Ravivaraha. Parashwaha Ravivar.
Praparaswaha kaha.
Parashwaha Somavaraha. Somavasaraha.
So now if you see, with these 7, you are able to cover all the 7 days.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Vasara, Somavasara is more authentic Sanskrit, right?
That's what I didn't want to use the word authentic. It looks more stylish.
Okay.
We feel good about it. Vasara.
Yeah.
When you do the prayers and they say which year, which they use Vasara.
And again, if you see, right, how did Vara came?
Somavara, Mangalavara.
So it's like many times we do shortcuts, right? So it is like Vara. You remove the Sakara. So any doubts, any questions till now? All fine, right?
So how do we say 1 week?
Week is Saptaha.
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 We'll just check. So that's a good question. Why only week? We'll check all the other things also, right?
Week, month, year.
Yeah. Let's do that. So again in
Saptaha, Masaha.
Yeah, Masa is correct. Maybe I'll also share the Learn Sanskrit. What I'm browsing, I'll just share that. Just a minute. So we all can see that.
Samvatsaraha, I think, no?
Samvatsaraha is...
Samvatsara is a year.
Varshaha, no?
Varsha is also year.
And
Samvatsara.
because every new year,
It depends on whether you follow the Panchangam or you follow English calendar. In English calendar is Varsham.
Yeah, week is
Panchangam is
Saptaha.
Saptaha and
Saptaha is week.
Linga, so it will become Saptaham.
Saptahi.
Okay. And month will become Masaha.
Masaha. Masika.
No. This is
That's
monthly.
adjective. Now.
Yeah.
It's Napunsakalinga.
No. It is Pullinga.
Pullinga.
Masa.
Masa.
Masaha.
Pullinga.
Year will become Varsha or Samvatsara. Many things are there.
Samvatsara.
Varsha is there. And Samvatsara also should be there somewhere.
Varsha is English calendar, Samvatsara is Panchanga calendar.
Again,
they are not same, right? So Varsha is the English calendar. Samvatsara is like they have different Samvatsara, like we have 60 years, right? So
that is okay. But Varsha term means year only. Okay. Varsha, Samvatsara, the meaning is, but the point is, if you want to represent typically the our 60 things, then we use Samvatsara. We typically don't use Varsha there.
Yeah.
Okay. If you try to take the literal meaning, they are like synonymous. But the usage perspective, you are correct. Okay. Yeah. So I think that's all. So maybe I'll add these as part of our list. So maybe let me add it right away, right? Yeah. Okay.
That of 15 days.
I think that is Paksha.
Paksha.
Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha.
Fortnight.
Shukla Paksha, Krishna Paksha.
Yeah, in English it's fortnight.
Yeah, so Paksha is again pulling a sabda.
Paksha.
Fortnight. Okay, so let me do one thing. Let me add those as part of it also. So then we have those things here itself. Good. Somehow that didn't click when I was preparing this. That didn't come to my mind. Anyway, let me add it here. So let me add it here only, right? So first one was Saptaha. Saptaham.
Yeah.
So that is
Week.
week. Then second was
Masa.
Masaha,
Month.
month.
Paksha.
Next was before Masaha, let me put
Pakshaha.
Pakshaha, that
15
is
days.
Right.
fortnight.
Fortnight.
Then
Varshaha or Samvatsaraha, year.
yeah,
Samvatsara.
Varshaha or
Samvatsara.
Samvat Saraha
Yeah.
is year. Okay. Yeah. So any doubts, any questions here still now? Okay. So for example, if I ask kaha mahasah adya kaha mahasah.
Adya June Masa.
June Masa. We know
June.
it.
So that's what typically, again, English names, if you want to use, we can use as is. Again, if you want to go to the lunar calendar, then we'll have to look for and other things. But otherwise, that's okay. So that's what, if you see, the kaha word is very easily usable. Okay.
Yeah.
So what and other things.
Uh-huh.
Okay. So for example, if you want to use something with the saptaha, then it will be not kaha.
Yeah,
It's
Kim. Yeah,
it will
that
be
was
Kim.
my next question. Okay.
Yeah, it will be Kim. So that's how it will be. Okay. So now the next we'll go with the time then. Okay. So what happened? So, just a minute, I think. Yeah. So the time, it is like kaha samayaha. We can use that. Okay, that is what it is. Kaha samayaha. What is the time? And again, the answer to kada also could give times. Okay. So now the word for o'clock, like we say 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, right, is vadanam.
Vadanam.
Okay. So for example, idanim kaha samayaha.
Saptavadanam.
Idanim saptavadanam. Okay. So similarly, ekavadanam, duivadanam, trivadanam, chaturvadanam. Note this, it is a refa here. It is not akaranta. Okay, it is a refa here. Panchavadanam, shadvadanam.
Vadanam.
Again, it is a dakara. There is no akaranta here.
Saptavadanam.
Saptavadanam, Ashtavadanam, Navavadanam, Dashavadanam, Ekadashavadanam, Dwadashavadanam.
Vadashavadhanam. Ekavadhanam. Dvivadhanam.
So again, most of them are the way you learnt the numbers, except that these are little different form. These.
So we have to say them separately.
No, they are
Dvivadhanam.
together. They are together.
They are together. Okay.
They are together. That's why if you see, all others are the way we learned, except these first four.
Ekava. Instead of Ek.
Yeah, the numbers.
Ekavadhanam.
What was the first number?
Ekam.
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 Here it is eka. What was the second number?
Dve.
Dve.
It is dui here. What was the third number?
Trini.
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 It is 3 here. What is the fourth number?
Chatvari.
Chatvari.
Chatvari, it is chatur here.
Hmm.
Okay, all others are same. Pancha, Sad, Sapta, Ashta, Nava. Okay, again, this may be slightly different. The Dakara is there. It was Takara, Sat there.
Yeah, it was Shat.
Yeah, and again, it becomes Sat because of this Vakara here. Okay.
Vakara.
So that's why, otherwise, all of them are same. And you may be wondering why these 4 are different. Because these 4, the root, the Pratipadikam are slightly different kind of thing, and they form in different combinations and other things. That's why they become different. Okay. Otherwise, typically all of them will be same. Yeah. Prichatu Parvati.
Do you have a word for noon and midnight too?
Madhyanam.
Noon we
Noon.
talked about it,
Noon.
right? Here.
12. No, noon. At 12. 12 in the
Madhyam.
afternoon and midnight.
No.
Madhyaratri.
And midnight is Madhyaratri,
Ardharatri.
right?
Ardharatri.
Madhya.
Madhyaratri.
Yeah.
And noon would be
Madhyana.
Madhyana. Oh, that means it's 12. Madhyana.
Yeah.
It does not mean afternoon.
Neither they have AM, PM. So the noon doesn't matter.
Oh, okay.
Only when they have a AM, PM, the noon and midnight works. Otherwise, here it's just by the o'clock.
Okay.
Vadanam.
Yeah, let us check. Can someone check what is Madhyana? Madhyana is noon or afternoon?
Madhyana is afternoon.
Afternoon.
I mean, we
Not
use it as afternoon. I don't know the correct meaning.
So maybe someone can check in Learn Sanskrit. What does it say?
Yeah, I'll check it.
Yeah. Sure. So then there might be something for the noon, and also you can check what is there for noon.
Aparana.
Aprana is what?
Afternoon.
So Madhyana is what? Noon.
Afternoon.
Noon, when I check, it's giving me noona. So I'm just trying to check. Madhyanaha is noon.
So I wrote it correct only then.
Mm.
So upper.
So PM, when we want to say, maybe it is aparanaha.
Aparanna.
PM.
This spelling is correct only?
No. Aparana.
Nakara, not nakara.
Madhyane.
Oh, okay.
Under the ha. Yeah.
Can you tell me why?
Apara.
There's refa and there's an akara. There's a swara after the ra.
And
After the
Hakara.
refa.
Hakara eva.
Yeah, and
Hakara
ha also. Yeah.
So Madhyanaha, there is a visarga here, and Aparanna, there is a visarga.
Aparanaha. Yes.
Purana Kale.
Chalo, we build our list, no problem. Then it won't be in the noon, it will be
Noon.
at noon.
At noon.
Madhyana.
So noon is madhyanaha.
12.
Yeah.
12.
And again, you added one more, right? So we'll add that.
Ardharatri.
Madhyaratri, no? Or Ardharatri?
Ratri is commonly used. I don't know.
I think both are correct. You can check that also.
Yeah, there is no after midnight, so it's
Yeah.
Madhyaratrasya, it says. So Madhyaratri, maybe.
Madhyarat.
Ratra.
It says Madhya Ratri is
Madhyaratraha.
is midnight, right?
Yeah.
But he's putting in the
Midnight.
at
Madhyaratra.
midnight. Yeah.
Madhyaratri.
Madhyaratra.
Yeah, looks good. Again, if you have any other thing, time.
Weekly, monthly, how do you say? Annually. If you go to time like weekly, I do this.
So that I leave for you to look into the last.
We look up and
For these basic words, we got it here, so that should be fine. Then you can figure it out, the remaining one. Okay. So now in the samaya, so the basic samaya, now I hope you are clear. Okay. So ekavadanam, dvivadanam, trivadanam, chaturvadanam. So now if I want to write chaturvadanam, how will it look like? Any idea?
Refa on the one.
Yeah. So because chatur, you like this, and now if you do vadanam, it will become like that.
Okay. Sayukta.
So it goes together. So dvivadanam.
Dvivadanam.
Dvivadanam. Like
the rest of
Dvivadanam.
Yeah, and shadvadanam if I want to write. Shadvadanam. Okay. So this is the basic o'clock. Now we have minutes, right? Half past, all those things kind of thing. So we'll look into that.
Nimisham.
Nimisha is a minute. So we don't go in minute. We want it. We tell in hours only. No, half past, quarter
Yeah,
past.
fraction of hour,
Exactly.
fractional hours. Okay.
So maybe I think, yeah, we'll just do this. So one by one, can you all tell the time? Start with, I think,
Ekavadanam.
Basuraj Mahodaya.
Okay. Ekavadanam.
First one, what is it?
Ekavadanam.
Okay, next.
Dvivadanam.
Yeah, Agre. Do it.
Rajesh Mahoday next.
Yeah, I only said
He just said.
Dvivadanam.
Oh, okay, we didn't hear that.
Trivadanam.
3 or Trivadanam? What was it? I forgot.
Trivadanam.
Trivadanam.
Okay, Trivadanam.
Agre.
Next. We'll go by our
Muralidharan.
roll numbers, no? Easier
Yeah.
than.
That's what we're doing.
Astu.
But
Yes,
okay.
yes.
Sorry.
Um,
After Rajesh Mahoday, who is there?
Murli Mahoday next, I think.
Okay. Chaturvadanam.
Chaturvadanam.
Panchavadanam.
Puna.
Chaturvadanam.
Yeah, Agre, Gacham.
Panchavadanam.
Agre.
I'm number 10. Who is next? 6.
12. Vijaya Mahoday.
Vijaya. Yeah.
Shatvadanam.
Chaturvadanam.
Third.
Saptavadanam.
Agre.
Saumya Mahoday.
Astavadam.
Okay.
Sa-
Vani Mahoday.
Saptavadanam. Saptavadanam.
Saptavadanam.
No, Ashtavadanam is over already.
Oh,
Nava.
Navavadanam.
Agre. Agre.
Dasavadanam.
Dashavadhanam.
Agre.
Ekadashavadanam.
Ekadasha.
Ekadashavadanam.
Ekadashavadhanam.
Ekadashavadanam.
Dvadash.
Dvadashavadanam.
Ekadashavadanam.
Okay. So all done or someone is left?
Mahoday, it's Dvi and then how become Dva? Dvadasha?
See, Dwadasa is already Dwadasa, right? So Dasha is getting joined with Vadanam, if you
Okay.
see.
Dvadasha.
Yeah. So this already, these are all 11, 12, right? We have learned Ekadasa, Dwadasa,
Yeah.
Trayodasa. So like that, this Dve becomes Dvi. Okay. But Dve is attaching with Dasa here. So that is Dwadasa already. And here Dasha is joining with Vadanam, if you see.
Okay. Dvadashavadhanam.
Okay. So now let's go to the breakings. Okay. So now Ardha is half. Okay.
Saratha. Sarathavada.
Yeah. So anyone who didn't get chance to say, or everyone?
We don't know
got
Anjali Mahoday and Kalai Selvi
Yes,
Mahoday
right.
numbers, so we don't know whether
26
it's
Mahodaya. Or 27.
27.
Kalai
Okay.
Selvi.
Can you put that, please? Otherwise, we will not remember.
Yeah.
Saratha.
Rename.
Otherwise we covered everyone, right?
Yeah, I think we covered everyone.
Oh, okay, fine. So fine, we'll if someone are left, they can speak up and they can in the next set of things. Okay. So here Ardha means half. Okay. So now past, so more. So typically this is the prefix we add sa. So it becomes Sardha. Okay. And like in numbers, right? If you see, unlike in English what happens? We typically read from left to right. Okay. In Sanskritam, we go from right to left. Why? For example, even 12, when you say it is 1, 2, but we say dwa dasa. So dwa and then dasa. Right. Then 21, then we say ekavim shatihi. right? So Eka is 1, then 20 is Vimsati. So this is a pattern we have to set. So in Sanskritam, typically we go from left to right for the numbers.
Right.
Okay.
So now, for example, this is like 30 and this is 1. Like, so this is Sardha.
Sardha
So we'll say
Ekavadanam.
Sardha first and then Ekavadanam. Sardha
Sardha
Ekavadanam.
Ekavadanam.
Oh.
Okay. In fact, in English, we say like this, 1:30 only.
Yeah.
Okay. Now the point is, in English, there is a mixture. Somewhere it is left to right, somewhere it is right to left.
Yeah.
In Sanskrit, it is unified. Everything is left to right. Okay. So all number related. Number means number, time, and all those things. Left to right. Fine. So now let us talk about, so whoever are left. So I will show the same clocks. Okay. But then you have to add 1/2 to that.
Mahodaya, in Sanskrit, it is right to left, no? Because you said
Right to
left to right.
Kshamyatam,
Right to
Kshamyatam,
left.
right to left.
Right.
Yeah, right. Yeah, from right side. Yeah. Kshamyatam. Yeah. So we'll go from backwards this time. So we can start with 1.
Parvati Mahodaya. I
Yeah.
think-
Sorry, I lost Shamyatam. I'm back.
Hmm.
Yeah, sorry.
So you have to add 1:30.
I missed out everything. So what is 1/2? Artha?
Oh, okay.
Ardha.
So it is Ardha is half. 1/2 is Sardha.
Sardha
Sardha Ekadasi.
Half is Sardha. Okay.
Ekavadanam.
Sardha Ekavadanam.
Yes.
Sardha Ekavadanam.
Yeah. Agre.
Asha Mahodaya.
Ha, Mahodaya. Sardha Dvivadanam.
Samyak. Agre.
Sardha Trivadanam.
Agre.
Kalai Selvi Mahodaya.
Sardha Chaturvadanam.
Agre.
Vani Mahodaya.
Sardha Panchavadanam.
Agre. Please note your roll numbers and who is before and after me, okay? So it becomes faster.
Sardha Shadvadanam.
Samyak.
Sardha Saptavadanam. Sardha Saptavadanam.
Agre.
Sardha Ashtavadanam.
Agre.
Sardha Navavadanam.
Agre.
Sardha Dashavadanam.
Agre.
Muralidhar Mahodaya.
Sardha Ekadashavadanam.
Agre.
Sardha Dwadashavadanam.
Okay. So now again we'll take few next ones so we can continue from there. Pada is quarter. Okay. So now if you want the quarter past, so we'll add sa, so it becomes sapada.
Sapada.
Okay. Now you will say why it was not sapada.
Sapada.
Because here there was a akara. Akara plus akara becomes akara. That's why it was sardha. Here it is akara plus pakara. So it is sa akara remains same sapada. Okay. And then there is a una. Una is less.
Una. Padona.
So akara plus ukara becomes okara. So that's where it becomes pada.
Padona.
Okay.
Pada.
So example would be like, for example, if I write 1:15, it is sapada ekavadanam.
Sapada Ekavadanam. Padona Ekavadanam.
12:45 is padona ekavadanam. Okay, so be aware. Here I am saying ekavadanam, but it is less than that, so it is 12:45. It is like in English only, quarter
Yeah,
to one.
quarter to
right?
one.
Yeah. So clear?
Yep.
Sapada and Padona. Yeah. So let's continue further.
Yes, can you repeat it again?
Okay. Is it clear?
Sapada. Yeah, Sapada, Padona.
Okay. Let's come here. So we'll continue from where we left. I think it was
Yeah,
after
it's
Rajesh.
me. Sapada ekavadanam, padona dvadashavadanam.
Samyak. So that is 145.
Yeah.
145. Correct. Agree?
Sorry, sir. Padona, Dvadashavadanam.
Is 145. 145.
12:45.
12:40.
Padona.
But Padona Dvadasha, it means.
Oh, 11:45.
11:45.
Oh, okay. Wait. I am asking 115 and 145. That's what I am asking.
Okay. Sapada ekavadanam, padona dvivadanam.
Samyak.
Yeah.
Okay. Next. Agree.
145 and 215.
Yeah, 215 and 245.
215 is Sapada. I'm sorry. Sapada Dvivadanam.
Samyak.
215. Right.
What is the other one? Sapada Dvivadanam.
245.
Padona. Other one is Padona.
Padona
Not
Dvivadanam.
Auna. It is Ona. Padona.
Padona Dvivadanam.
3.
245.
Padona Trivadanam.
Samyak. Agree?
Murlidhar
Muralidhar
Mahodaya.
Mahodaya.
1 minute.
315 and 345.
315 is it?
315 and 345.
315 is Padona as in
See, remember, if it is more, it is a sa.
okay. Oh, okay. Sapada Trivadanam,
Samyak.
correct? And then 245 is it?
345.
345. Padana 345. Padana Chaturvadanam.
Samyak.
Okay.
Agree.
Okay, thank you.
415 is Sapada Chaturvadanam. 445 Padona Panchavadanam.
Samyak. Agree. Agree.
Veena Mahod, no, Vijaya Mahodaya.
Vijaya Mahodaya.
Ha. 615 is Sapada
Five.
Chaturvadanam.
515.
Oh, sorry. 515 is Sapada Panchavadanam. And 545 is Padona Shatvadanam.
Shadvadanam.
Shatvadanam.
Samyak. Agree.
615 is Sapada Shadvadanam. 645 is Padona Saptavadanam.
Samyak. Agree.
Saumya.
Amam. Sapada Saptavadanam 715. Padona Ashtavadanam 745.
Agree.
815 Sapada Ashtavadane Vadanam. 845 Padona Navavadanam.
Agree.
Sapada Navavadanam. Padona Dashavadanam.
Samyak. Agree. Agree.
So, 23, I will let it.
Yeah.
सपाददशवादनं पादोन एकादशवादनम्
Ekadasa?
एकादशवादनम्
Ekadasavadana. Padona Ekadasa.
Now 11:45 is Sapada Ekadash Vadanam. Sorry, 11:15 is Sapada Ekadash Vadanam, and 11:45 is Padona Dvadash Vadanam.
Okay.
Agre?
सपाद द्वावादनम एक एक
12:15.
12:15 द्वावादनम द्वादशवादनम सपाद द्वादशवादनम पादोन एकवादनम.
Samyak. Okay. So now we'll go again next. So this is what. So I hope you're clear till now, whatever we have done, right? Okay. Now.
So if we have to say if it is daytime or nighttime, then.
So you can use this, right? Pratakalaha.
Yeah.
Pratakalaha.
Okay. Yeah.
Sapadavadanam. Aprannaha.
Okay.
Aprannaha. You can use these keywords,
Yeah.
right?
Okay. Combine these together.
Yeah. Okay. So now we'll go in the middle ones. Like for example, I have 5 past something or 5 to something, right? So the words will be adhika or un. Un is less. Okay. So now I'll show you example. So it is like 5 past 1 is like pancha adhika ekavadanam. And typically what we do is we join them together. We don't keep them separate. So akara becomes akara. So panchadhika ekavadanam. Okay. And pancha 5 to 12. So 5 to 1. So ekvadanam. So it will become pancha una ekavadanam. Again we tend to join them. So it becomes panchona ekavadanam. Any doubts? Any questions? Okay. Similarly, actually, see, the joining when you want, you have to be careful about what is the ending. For example, if I have here, say 20. Okay. And here it is 40. So then what will it be here?
विंशति अधिक
विंशति त्रिविंशति विंशति
विंशत्यधिक
एकवादनम्.
Okay. So now this is ikara plus ekara. Okay. So this will, if you want to join, it become vimshatyadhika ekvadanam. Ikara and akara basically, when they're there, ikara translates to yakara. Okay, that's what the conversion is. In fact, we had done that some back. Ikara becomes yakara, ukara becomes vakara. Do you remember where?
In the plural.
Samyak eva. Bahuvachanam. So same.
Bahuvachanam. Yeah.
Same rule. So that's why it becomes vimsatyadhika. Okay. And for example, if you want vimsati, so here also I can put vimsati una. So this becomes ikara and ukara here. So it will become
vimshatyuna ekadashavadanam.
Vimshatyuna.
Ekavadanam. Vimshatyuna ekavadanam.
Or if you want, you can also say chaturvimshat, right?
Chaturadhika.
Chaturvimshatyadhika
चतुर्विंशति
So no. Chatvarimsat.
Chatvarimshat.
So Chatvarimsat and then So there is a takara at the end and akara, so that becomes ta. So it becomes Chatvarimsatadhika ekvadanam. So what I'm saying is something like this. I can also have Chatvarimshat. Adhika. So now this here akara, if you join, it becomes takara only. Takara plus akara is ta. So if you join, this will become okay. Rimshatadhika. Chatvarimshatadhika ekavadana. Is that clear?
Never going to answer anybody if they ask me for time.
Just show them the watch.
Look at you.
No. It's not like that. You know the easier one. You give a break and speak it up.
No. Or we will wait for them to reach the hour. And
Just wait. Wait for the o'clock.
Wait 20 minutes, I'll tell you.
So these are all like tongue twisters. So search, but first of all, the numbers are so big, and then you add adhikam or unam, and then by then you'll be lost. Yeah.
So idanim kaha samayah?
Oh my God. Okay.
I know you are waiting for 4 minutes.
Good one, sir. Give me 4 minutes to answer.
Yeah.
4 minutes by the time we formulate the answer, actually.
Yeah.
Idani.
That's also 6 is 26 is
Chatvarimshat adhika saptavadanam.
Not Chatvari.
Yeah.
It is
30
now, right?
26.
only, no?
No, 26. 27 now.
Yeah, so what is 27?
27.
Vimshat.
Chatvarvimshat
Vimshat,
adhika
no?
Yeah,
Vimshat adhika.
saptavadanam.
Sapta adhika vimshati.
No,
Saptavadanam.
Vimshat adhika saptavadanam.
Yeah.
Adhika Saptavadanam.
Can say Saptavimshati Adhika Saptavadanam separately, or
Yes.
Saptavimshatyadhika Ekavadanam, Saptavadanam. Okay, let's. So shall we try this one round?
Yes, please, sir.
Leave it.
Mohoday, you have to
Homework.
say what is it in English. Otherwise, we have all different time. We are all in a different time.
Okay,
It's hard for us to catch up.
Yeah. I'll basically tell something sometime.
Yeah.
Then you speak it up. So maybe I'll do one thing rather than the clock. See, anyway, understand it. So let me type it out here, and then you keep on telling me. Okay. So so we'll go with the front Baswaraj Mahodaya only. Okay. So yeah, tell me what is this?
Dashadhika ekavadanam.
Dashavimshat adhika ekavadanam.
Where did Vimshat come from?
Dasha adhika ekavadanam.
Dashadhika ekavadanam.
Dasha adhika ekavadanam.
Samyak. Okay, who is next?
Rajesh.
Yeah. Wait.
Vimshat.
20. What is that number, Mahodaya?
24.
25.
25.
Oops. Give me some easy number, Mahodaya.
So first we have to read those letters.
Yeah, that number itself.
Take your time. We can also
This is
read.
unfair. You gave such an easy number to
Okay.
Basu
Easy one, yeah.
Mahodaya only.
Okay, easy one.
Because I am first one.
this is 40. right?
50.
50. I
50
I
is
don't know.
Panchasat.
Okay. Panchashat adhika ekavadanam.
Panchasat.
Panchasat adhika ekavadanam.
Samyak. So you can also join them. Panchasatadhika ekavadanam.
This can also
You
be
can also
said
read with
as
una.
Dasha Una
Yeah.
Dashona.
Dvadashavadanam, right?
Dashona Dvivadanam.
Dashona,
Dashona.
Dashona,
Dasauna
Dvadash.
Dvivadanam.
Shona Dvivadanam.
Okay.
Samyak.
Dvivadanam,
Dvivadanam.
correct, sorry.
Okay. Okay. So now next, agree.
125. Murlidhar Mahodaya.
Muralidhar Manu.
25
Panchavimshati.
Panchavimshati adhika ekavadanam.
Samyak. Or you can also say Panchavimshatyadhika ekavadanam.
Panchavimshatyadhika ekavadanam. Otherwise, on the other side also you can tell.
Yeah.
Fast. I mean,
Agree.
Okay.
This is 135, right?
So,
Panchatrinshatyadhika ekavadanam.
Panchatrinshatyadhika ekavadanam. Or you can use una form also.
Una Vimshatyona Dvivadanam. Panchavimshatyona Dvivadanam.
Samyak. Okay, so next.
I
think Vijaya Mahodaya.
It's 5:45.
114.
Oh, sorry, I'm bad at numbers. Sorry. 5:14.
No,
114.
114.
I'm sorry. 1:14. Eka.
First 14. What is 14?
14 is Ekadash, Dvadas, Trayodas, Chaturdash.
Samyak.
So Eka Adhika Chaturvadanam.
No. You read from right.
Ha.
So first Chaturdasa.
I have mistaken somewhere.
You have to go from right to left. So Chaturdasa first will come. Then Ekavadanam will come.
Chaturdasa Adhika Ekavadanam.
Samyak.
Sorry.
Yeah. Okay, who is the next?
This is 123. Trivimshatyadhika ekavadanam.
Samyak. Who is next?
Soumya.
Okay.
130. Sardha ekavadanam.
Samyak. You didn't get tricked.
Sardha
Okay.
ekavadanam.
Take one more.
126. षड्विंशत्यधिक एकवादनम.
Samyak. Agre.
Lakshmi sir. $151. Panchashat. So, Ekapanchashat adhikam ekavadanam.
Adhikam nasti. Adhika
ekavadanam.
Another form?
Or Nava Una Dvivadanam.
So it will become Navona.
Navuna.
Nava Una, right? Navuna.
Okay.
So Agre.
षड्चत्वारिंशदधिक एकवादनं षड्चत्वारिंशत् एकवादनं
सत् अधिक एकवादनं.
षड्चत्वारिंशदधिक एकवादनं.
If you want to use the una form,
षोडश षडोन द्विवादनं
14 minutes less.
द्वादश पञ्चदश षोडश.
It is not shodas, it is 14 minutes to
14 right. चतुर्दश चतुर्दशोन द्विवादनं.
सम्यक्. चतुर्दशोन द्विवादनं.
द्विवादनं चतुर्दशोन द्विवादनं.
सम्यक्.
चतुर्दशोन द्विवादनं.
Who is next? Agre?
Vandana Mohan. Oh, sorry. Kalai Selvi. Right? Next.
Yes, Mahodaya.
Yeah, what is this?
Oh.
3:15. Kalai Selvi Mahodaya?
Sapada Trivadanam.
Okay, that was easy one. I will give you another one. Okay. This one? 19. 3:19.
Okay. Navadika Trivadanam.
It is not Nava, it is 9.
Navadashadika Trivadanam.
Samyak. Agre?
I am sure.
Okay.
Mahodaya, I have a question. That 19 also, there is a other way of calling 19, right? Like Navadasha and then.
Yeah.
नवदशाधिक.
एकोनविंशति.
एकोनविंशति.
त्रिवादनम्.
एकोनविंशत्याधिकत्रिवादनम्.
You can make as much complicated you want. No problem.
We don't want to give a proper answer to the one who asks us the question. No, we can tell all this.
So they'll be confused and run away.
So they won't understand the time finally.
I know.
And never ask us again.
Okay. Agree. Who is next?
I am, sir. Panchona Shadvadana.
Samyak. Agre?
Panchona Shadvadana.
Who is the next? I think
Agre?
Asha Mahodaya and then Parvati Mahodaya. Right?
With me, Mahoday. No.
Yeah.
After 28.
Yeah. Asha Mahodaya. वदतु महोदय.
4. चतुर्त्रिंशत् नववादनम्.
सप्त.
Okay, 7. चतुर्विंशत् सप्तवादनम्. चतुर्विंशत् अधिक सप्तवादनम्.
त्रिंशत्याधिक न सर.
त्रिंशत्.
No, it is not vimshati, it is chaturvimshat.
त्रिंशत्.
Okay. Shamyatam. Chaturtrimshat. Even that also chaturtrimshat, right? So it is
चतुर्त्रिंशत् अधिक सप्तवादनम्. Is it so, Mahoday?
Yeah, Samyak. Chaturtrimshat adhika.
त्रिंशत्याधिक
चतुर्त्रिंशदधिक सप्तवादनम्. Okay, agre.
Is it me or there's somebody there? Where's
Yeah.
Mr. Shankar? Not there?
No.
May I
You on-
pass?
Yeah. Parvati Mahoday.
Yeah,
please.
it's
Parvati.
12:43, right? I'm reading it correct. 12:43.
Astu.
So 43 is चत्वारिंशत्. त्रिचत्वारिंशत् अधिकं 12 is द्वादश वादनम्.
Can you repeat once more?
I don't remember anymore. त्रिचत्वारिंशत् अधिकं
Adhika.
अधिक द्वादश वादनम्. Okay.
If you want to use
43.
una,
Yeah, una. So 43 is 17 less, right? 17. Saptadasha una ekavadanam.
Saptadashoni.
Bahu samyak. So she's trying to not join them. Okay.
Sir, first for me to realize what those letters are in English, and then you'd be expecting us to do the math also.
And
Yeah,
think of it.
I have to
You are able
practice
do
this.
also. Good. Okay. So that's all with the time. Now you should be able to create all kind of timings with this. Okay. So now let us see. Shall we try a story?
Yeah.
Okay. So what we will try today is, for example, here it is ekaha, right? So we'll make it a dvivachanam. Okay. Story and make it dvivachanam also. So we'll start with Baswaraj Mahodaya.
Moodaha Jambukau.
So now when
Moodhau.
yeah,
Moodhau
so
Jambukau.
will become dvivachanam.
Moodhau Jambukau.
So what does it mean?
Dvi Jambukau asti.
No, me. What is jump?
Jambuk is a bear.
Jackal.
What?
Jambuk is bear, right?
No, Balluka
Is bear.
Oh.
Jambuka is jackal.
Yeah, jackal.
Fox.
Oh, jackal. Okay, thank you.
Fox, sorry.
So
Hare.
Moodha Jambuka.
Dhanyavadaha.
Dvi Jambukau asti.
Dvi Jambukau.
Santi.
Santi.
Dvau.
Dvi
No,
Jambukau
no.
Santi.
Staha.
Jambukau.
Staha. Asti.
Staha.
Saha.
Oh, ekaha.
So wait. Don't hurry. First, let's have the meaning of this first. What is Moodha Jambukau?
Moodha. Foolish hare.
Two foolish jackals. Okay. So
Jackal.
now, agree. Next, who is the next one? Yeah. Rajesh Mahodaya, Pichatu.
Yeah.
Vadatu.
The
Yeah, it will become
Dve.
Dvau.
Dvau Jambukau
Staha.
Astaha.
Staha.
Taha. Dvau Jambukau Staha.
So two jackals are there. Okay, agree?
Saha. Tau ekada aharartham. No, sorry, it's Murlidhar Mahodaya.
Okay. Saha ekada ahararthavano Brahmati.
Vane Brahmati.
Vane Brahmati. Now, Saha, that is now Dvivachana. Te is Bahuvachana. No, sorry, I cannot. Te or tau. 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 Ekada. Dve.
No, ekada is once upon a time.
Once upon a time. So same thing we have to tell. Okay. Dve ekada.
Tau ekada.
Tau ekada. Aharartham. Vane. Brahmati. So no other change.
Brahmataha.
Brahmataha. Okay. Brahmataha.
Yeah. So what does it mean?
Both are looking for food in the forest.
Roaming around for
the food in the forest.
Okay. Agre.
Ekatra tau drakshalate pashyatah.
Draksha latam.
Latam. So that no need to change then to dual, no? Okay. So tau draksha latam pashyatah. Both of them saw a draksha latam, a creeper wine. Grape
wine. Draksha phala is grape.
Okay.
Okay. Agre.
Latayam aneke drakshafale staha. There are many grapes in the creeper.
So this you can't change. Like all many already it's blue.
Many two grapes I have to say.
Oh, okay. So okay, fine. Go ahead. Lataya, there are two grapes. How will you say that?
Latayam aneke I can't say dvau. Drakshe staha.
Draksha phale.
Draksha phale staha.
Or phalau, sir?
Phale. Phalam is ekvachanam.
No. When she says latayam,
she wanted to say there are two grapes.
Yeah, dvi. Yeah.
No, phale. You can say draksha phale.
Oh, okay.
Dvivachanam of phala, right?
Yeah.
Napumsakalinga.
Oh, yeah. Okay. Dve. Phale.
Yeah. Agre.
Tani pakwani. So I can say te pakwani.
Te pakwani. Not pakwani.
Te pakwe.
Te pakwe.
Te pakwe.
The meaning of pakwe, pakwani?
Ripe.
Oh, okay. Pakka. Dhanyavad.
Agre.
जम्बूकः चिन्तयति अद्य मम द्राक्षफलानां भोजनम् इति. जम्बूकौ चिन्तयन्ति चिन्तयतः
सम्यक्.
जम्बूकौ चिन्तयतः अद्य वयं द्राक्षाफलानां भोजनम्.
Okay, so it will actually become avabhyam.
आद्य अवाभ्यां द्राक्षाफलानां
भोजनम्
इति.
So today my food is grapes. Okay, agre.
द्राक्षां लुब्धम् उपरि उत्पत्ति. उत्पतति.
So
द्राक्षां लुब्धे. लब्धुम. Sorry. Labde.
No. This is same only for to get the grapes. Upari utpatati. Utpatatah. They two both jumped. Okay, agre.
किन्तु द्राक्षाफलौ न प्राप्नोति.
Drakshafalani.
द्राक्षफलौ.
No, I don't want.
द्राक्षफले न प्राप्नोति.
So I don't want a dvivachanam for this. I want a dvivachanam for the jambuka only.
द्राक्षफले न किन्तु द्राक्षफले न
फलानि
द्विवचन फले न
No, that is phale. That is correct. But see, what does this sentence mean? Can you tell me that first? What is the meaning of this sentence?
किन्तु द्राक्षाफलानि न प्राप्नोति.
So what does it mean?
Not reachable.
Not reachable or not.
Did not get any.
Not getting.
The jackal could not get the draksha falani. That's what it means, right?
Kintu exactly what is the meaning, Bhaiya?
But. Okay. He jumped. Both of them jumped, but they couldn't get it. So I want you to translate that both of them could not get it. Okay. Same draksha falani, the grapefruits. Let it be plural only, but both of them could not get it.
किन्तु द्राक्षफले न प्राप्नोति. No.
Okay. ठीक है. That's okay. That is also किंतु द्राक्ष फले न प्राप्नोति. So the jackal, the one jackal could not get the 2 grapefruits. So that is okay. So Agre, let me go next. Agre, who is next?
Prapnoti is wrong, sir. Prapnoti.
Huh?
Prapnoti is wrong, na? Dvivachan?
No. I see. She converted only the draksha fale. Then it is okay.
Okay.
Draksha fale, if she converts, then it's fine. Okay. So that's why I want to go to next, and I want them to convert.
Yeah.
This. Who is next?
I am, sir.
Yeah. So I want you to convert it. Both the jackal could not get the grapefruits.
Okay. Kintu draksha falani na prapnotah.
Samyak. See, for jackal it is prapnoti, so it becomes prapnotah. And if it is many prapno.
Yeah, I missed it. Jump.
Actually, Jambuka is implicit here. It is not visible. They have skipped that word. Okay.
Yeah.
Saha is not there. Jambuka is not there. So that is not there. But prapnoti is for referring that only.
Mahodaya?
Yeah, Prichatu.
Is it not prapnoti become praptaha?
No. It is prapnotah. Praptah is another word, another form. That is becomes past tense.
Okay. Prapnoti.
Yeah, Mahodaya.
Prichatu.
My turn.
Okay. Vadatu.
Jambukah punah utpatati. Jambukau punah utpatatah.
Samyak. Agre.
Again, sir.
Is it all of us are done? I don't think so.
Mahodaya. Na vadatu.
Vadatu.
Vadami.
Vadatu.
Jambu tatapi falani na prapnoti. Mahodaya, this should be converted to Bahuvachan.
Dvivachanam.
Tatapi fale na prapnotah.
So see, prapnoti is not for falani. See, if it was for falani, the prapnoti would have been a bahuvachanam form, right?
Okay.
Prapnoti is ekvachanam here. Falani is bahuvachanam. So prapnoti is not coming for falani. It is coming for something else, which is not explicitly given here. Who did not receive the fruits?
Jambuka.
So tathapi jambukah falani na prapnoti.
Mahodaya, this tadapi is indicating Jambukaha or it's a different?
No, tathapi even then.
Even then.
Tatha plus api.
Okay.
Even then.
So it will be tatapi fale na prapnoti.
Okay, that is correct. Another format. Agre.
One more way of telling the sentence.
Yeah, if I want to say both the jackal did not get the fruits. Even then, both the jackal did not get the fruits.
तथापि दो जम्बूकः फले न प्राप्नोति.
No, grapes. Grapes is still plural, right? See, this is like
Api Jambukau.
okay. So it's like jackal did not get the fruits. So fruits remains fruits. This becomes Dvivachanam, right? And if this becomes Dvivachanam, this will get converted to Dvivachanam.
जम्बूकौ फलानि न प्राप्नोतः.
जम्बूकः फलानि न
जम्बूकौ.
Yeah, tathapi jambukau
फलानि न प्राप्नोतः.
prapnotah. So if I don't have jambukah also, then also it is like tathapi falani na prapnotah. Avgatam va na avgatam?
Avagatam.
Prapnotah.
Okay, agree.
Mahodaya, can you tell that once again? How it is?
So it will just become this.
Prapnotah.
Tathapi falani na prapnotah. So it was not, the fruits was not received, obtained by the two jackals.
Okay.
Fruits are still fruits, right? This prapnotah is coming for jackal.
Okay. This is the verb for the jackal, right?
Yeah, yeah. It is for the subject. Subject, object, right? Subject is jackal. Falani are object. Karta
So
and karta.
prapnoti will get converted to prapnotah.
Yes, yes. Okay, agree?
Jambukah kupitah bhavati. Jambukau kupitah bhavatah.
Kupitau.
Kupitau bhavatah. Oh, so this is adjective?
Yes.
Kupitau. Okay, Jambukau kupitau bhavatah.
Bhavatah.
Bhavatah. Yeah.
Okay.
Kupitah, Mahodaya.
What is meaning of kupita?
Kupita
Disappointed?
is angry, angry.
Angry. Oh.
They became like frustrated, angered kind of thing.
Furious.
I hope you all know this story, right?
Yeah, yeah. In English, we know.
Okay. So,
We're
anyone?
back to number one. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyone?
तौ तानि द्राक्षफलानि दृश्यतः. दूषयतः.
So it basically it blamed the grapes only.
Blaming.
Okay, what is the blaming?
द्राक्षफलानि
आम्लानि इति वदति.
Vadatah. Then anantaram.
अनन्तरं
स्वस्थानं
स्वस्थानं गच्छतः.
Gachata.
Okay.
So swasthanam will remain as swasthanam.
Yeah, yeah.
Because it's a declension. Okay.
On place.
Okay.
Yeah. But last next time. So how do you break up this one?
ज्ञातसारोऽपि
कल्वेकः संदिग्धे कार्यवस्तूनि.
अपि ज्ञातसारो अपि
खलु एकः.
So then this becomes actually
ज्ञातसारः.
ज्ञातसारः
अपि
एकः
खलु एकः
Why this became vakara?
Sandigdha.
Ekara is there.
Ending oo.
Ending with
oo with
like the una here, right?
So ukara became va.
Ukara becomes
Kalveka.
Like ikara becomes
Sandigne.
Sandigdhe Karya Vastuni.
Karyam.
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 Vastuni.
Actually, Karya Vastuni is a single word only, but
Oh.
that's okay. Yeah, Karya Vastuni.
Karya Vastuni.
No.
Jnatasaraha api khalu
Is it Karyam Astuni or Karya Vastuni?
No, Karya Vastuni. If you want Karya Vastuni.
What is Vastuni?
Yeah. So what is
Nobody
Vastu?
knows.
What is Vastu?
Vastu is a thing.
Things.
Thing. So Vastu is a Napumsakalinga Sabdaha.
Yeah. Vastu. Ni ending. Okay.
So what is it? What is Vastuni?
Things.
Material thing.
Ukaranta Napumsakalinga becomes like this only, right?
Yeah.
Vastu Ani.
No. The plural ending. Yeah. Bahuvachan for Napunsakalinga.
Ukara.
Vastuni.
Okay.
Vastuni.
Sandigdhe.
Napunsakalinga.
Napumsakalinga Bahuvachan.
Khalu ekaha.
Ekaha sandigdhe.
Jnatasaropi Kalvekaha Sandigne Karyavastuni.
Okay, so typically after that you should get the meaning. So anyone knows the meaning of Gyatasaraha?
An intelligent person, is it?
Yeah, who is he's thorough about his subject, thoroughly learned.
Learned person.
Okay. Api is
Also.
Kalu
Right.
is like question, isn't it?
Ekaha.
Khalu is like a question, is it?
Yeah, isn't it?
Right.
Oh.
Right, no, sir? Khalu means?
Karyavastuni.
Sandigdhe. Doubt.
Sandigdhe.
Doubtful.
So gets
Yeah.
doubt.
Gets doubt.
Yeah. Karya Vastuni
Karya Vastuni.
Things.
is any work. It's like
Any work. Yeah.
any work kind of thing. Okay. So I'll just put the words. Gyatasara is thoroughly learned person. Khalu, isn't it? One Sandig gets doubt. Work, anything that has to be done. Okay. So now you have the words also in front of you. So how do you like to reorder? So which is the Kriya Padam here?
Sandigdhe.
Sandigdha.
Okay. So that's how we start our question, right?
Yeah.
Jnatasara
Kaha
Sandigne
wait.
Karyavastuni.
So first one is Sandigdhe. That is the first verb.
Yeah.
Then the next question you will put is like Kaha.
Kaha sandigdhe asti.
Yeah. Oh, wait. Kaha Sandigdhe. Okay, so what is the answer?
Jnatasaraha.
Gyatasara
Jnatasa.
Sandigdhe. What is the next question?
Kaha Sandigdhe Jnatasara.
Jnatasaraha kasmin sandigdhe.
Vastuni.
Before that, no.
Is there anything matching with Gyatasaraha?
Kidrusha.
Ka Jnatasaraha.
Kidrusha.
No. Let's see
What
the whole
about
thing.
this?
Ekaha.
Eka.
Khalu Ekaha.
Kat.
Right. So actually, if you see, ideally the answer here itself, because Gyatasara means Ekaha only.
Yeah. Because it's singular. Yeah.
Yeah, so you can put it here as a single answer.
Okay.
Kaha Sandigdhe.
Okay. So now
You cannot see the full things.
Huh?
Cannot see the. Okay, cannot see the sentence, the saying.
You're not able to see what?
The main.
Because the.
No, it's okay, sir. It doesn't.
No, is my screen visible or not?
Screen is visible, but we don't see the main proverb. The wise saying. We cannot see that. We see only the question.
It is here. I copied it for you.
Oh, okay. It's down there. Okay, thank you. Dhanyawad. Yeah.
Eka Gyatsara Sandigdha, right? So,
Yeah, okay.
So in what? In what?
Yeah, what it is, Sandigdha.
What?
Kimartam?
किमर्थं संदिग्धे
Kimartam
Ani
Sandigdha.
Sandigdhe.
कानि संदिग्धे
Karyavastuni.
Now the question is what, sir? Kimartam
What is
Sandigdha?
Eka
Kani Sandigdhe.
Gyatsara Kani Sandigdhe.
Oh,
Where?
Kani Sandigdha. Oh, what is he? Okay.
Kani is where, right? Or what?
No, what? What plural?
What? Okay. Oh, sorry. Yeah.
Oh, we need a lot of practice with these words. Kani Sandigdhe. Mhm.
That's why they're giving us so much of assignment.
Okay. So in
Karya
fact,
Vastuni. Yeah.
in fact, this api you don't typically get a question for it. So
Yeah.
this api is for Gyatsara, right? So you can put it here itself. So Eka Gyatsara api Sandigdhe. Even a Gyatsara is Sandigdhe.
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. So in what?
Karya.
कार्य वस्तूनि
Okay. So let me put
Api Sandigdhe.
Okay. And now if you see, the only word left is
Kalu.
that is just like a question you're asking. So that is like he has put a sentence and then he's asking the question here. So it becomes.
Is it like isn't it or what?
Isn't it?
Isn't it? Oh.
So Eka Gyatsara api Karyavastuni Sandigdhe Khalu.
Oh. So we don't have to feel bad. We have lots of doubts. Yeah, thank you. This is a good one.
Okay, so this is the order one, and however learned a person, maybe he gets doubt when he undertakes a work. Okay?
So when what us?
What about us, sir? It's full doubts.
Good to know this.
However learned we are, that is subjective to each person's capacity. So, yeah.
So we need not to feel bad.
In English, we can say that in 2 words. In English, we can say this in 2 words.
In my case, I get only doubts.
Then you are a Jnanakar.
Most of the
Yatasaraha.
In English, they only say it in 2 words. Nobody is perfect.
So it can be taken other way around also, right?
Yeah.
If you are getting doubts, it means you are undertaking work.
Yeah.
You are practicing. If you are not getting doubt, it means you are not working enough. Okay, so we'll do the closing prayers. So where is Anjali Mohdaya?
ॐ सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामयाः सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् असतो मा सद्गमय तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः
धन्यवादः महोदय
पुनर्मिलामः